Today is the day before Thanksgiving, so we do have some family coming over, and I won't be able to film much only because there's one person that doesn't want to be filmed, and honestly that kind of like I respect that. I'm probably not gonna film much, probably making the food and everything, and that'll be basically it. Just because I don't want to like do all the extra work of like filming around that person, especially if we're all gonna be in the living room, kitchen area. Like I'd rather just, respect their privacy. I'm in charge of mac and cheese, and also I'm gonna be making some jalapeno poppers. It was something that I had been craving. I'm like, what, I want to also make an appetizer, which I seen on TikTok, because I love jalapeno poppers. If there's one thing about me, I love jalapeno poppers. I'm not gonna bread them. I just want to do the healthy version of them in a way with it, which is not breaded and not fried. I'm gonna bake them in the oven. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty easy, and honestly, it's the first time doing them. So, but anyways, my man, he works graveyard, and so I'm gonna tell him to go to the grocery store after work, only because it was the last minute that they told me to be in charge of the mac and cheese. Well, my boyfriend actually, he volunteered. Yeah, so now I told him, I was like, well, since you volunteer to go to the grocery store too for me. So many things to do. I have to clean my daughter's room. I have to, the kitchen's already clean because I cleaned it really good yesterday. I think probably maybe mop maybe, but I don't know. I have to make the kids breakfast. Enough yapping. Let's get started on cleaning my daughter's room. Now I have to clean my daughter's room. Her room right now, it's a mess. Messy. And I know I still have the Halloween stuff up. I will get to that hopefully next week, just because I still have to buy her the rest of her books, like her Christmas books. I want to put little decorations on there too, but I kind of feel like it's already too late. I love decorating like 2 months before the holidays. I'm sorry about the light. It's actually nighttime, so if my lighting is not the best, I am so sorry. What happened, Mommy?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, babe. Okay, I'm gonna clean your room, so if you're gonna stay here, you have to help Mommy too.
Can I help you?
Okay, go throw this in the trash over there. In the kitchen trash.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is it for your coffee?
Yeah, it's for my coffee, Mama.
Oh. For your coffee?
Yes, ma'am.
And that was better. That was my princess. Mine should like that. Kitchen.
What about your kitchen?
It's messy.
It's messy. To be honest, guys, I don't want to do it. I don't want to clean this mess. I feel like I just feel very tired right now, but I have to clean it.
Hi, guys. I got Missy. And I got Missy. Okay?
No, don't go back there. No, we're not making a mess, Clem.
I was sorry.
This fabric, I'm gonna use it for her scrapbook that I have of her. I feel like I can always like use some fabric, like I could put the pictures and then this on top just so that it looks probably maybe on her next birthday or something, or for New Year's. I feel like it would look so freaking cute with pictures of her because it has little stars right here. I don't know, I feel like stars remind me of like New Year's, or like especially like this color, like pink, soft pink. This would be cute. So I'm not throwing this one away. Sometimes you like to do some DIYs, especially when you have kids and things like that. I feel like anything I find with fabric or like her old baby clothes, sometimes I'm like, this would look so cute in her like scrapbook or something like that. Or even like to do a DIY for like their birthdays. I don't know if you guys seen like the little face banners for people's birthdays. I feel like you can make like little hats off their fabric, like their old clothes. It'd be cute to hold on to a fabric that it's like their age at the time when they were wearing it. I feel like that would be so cute. So I don't know, I kind of want to keep this for something like that. I also got these little LED lights, and these are for like her Christmas bookshelf that I want to create for her. So I just thought this was cute. I got them for $150, and they're little stars. I'm gonna do a snow globe for like her bookshelf. So I'm gonna cut like a part from this, and because okay. This little sign, I made it. Well, and also my man, he did the letters and I did the rest. But yeah, I cut this out. It's like cardboard and it says spooky readings. I feel like it's like a magic ball, crystal ball. Sorry, because I felt like it was just so cute, and honestly, I like how it came out. Oh. Maybe next year I can make the same thing, or like I'll save this, and I wanted to put something like this, but anyways, that's how the room looks. I just need to throw away that little trash right there. Over here I need to hang this bag, by the way. I don't know, I think I'm gonna just leave it right here, so that way she can pretend that she's going to go get some groceries or something with that bag. And then her tea little area room is clean. I'm gonna keep this box right here. I'm gonna keep that box right there too, to make more DIYs. Kitchen's clean. Her room was the one the messiest, so I was just like, okay, it needs to be clean. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Thanksgiving. Again, I'm not gonna film a lot because there's people that are not comfortable, so yeah. Okay, so
how are we gonna cook them? Are they making out of
half. That's the like that. Did you wash them or no?
No, I didn't. Are you recording already?
It's not that it's because be honest, the holidays for me now are just sometimes very sad, if I'm being honest. I love making magic for my kids. My I just feel like the holidays are more for kids. But then I don't know why. I feel like the holidays is just like a reminder sometimes that, wow, another year has passed. And sometimes you're not where you want to be in life. I don't know if that's how you feel as well, but I just feel very lonely sometimes. Especially now that my man is working graveyard, and then I just feel all alone without my family. I don't know about you. Anyways, this turkey is probably the best turkey I've ever had in my entire life. My brother-in-law actually made it, and it was al pastor. So honestly, 100 out of 10. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't know, it's just so sad, especially New Year's. Well, Christmas and New Year's, I feel like it's very depressing. I don't know if it's the weather or I don't know, but I also feel like I miss my family so much, and I just want to have a good Christmas with them someday, maybe next year. I really want to plan something out with them. And yeah, I feel like every year we've been spending it with my boyfriend's family, and I'm not gonna lie, like, yeah, I love doing that as well, but at the same time, I miss my family. Like, there's nothing better than being around your family, because I just miss laughing with my siblings, my mom's cooking. I miss my mom's cooking so much, and I just feel like I can be more myself with my family, and I just don't feel so left out. I don't know. I also feel like it's another year. Your parents are getting older. You start to notice more wrinkles, more gray hairs, and you realize that you're not always gonna have each other. So I really try to make the best out of every day with my kids, because time is everything. And happy holidays, and just make amazing memories with your family. Hug them tight, regardless if you disagree or agree with them, because life is too short. Okay, so now I am ready for Thanksgiving. I kind of wanted to put my hair up because I wanted to do like a cute little updo. Did a mac and cheese, and I'm very proud of how it came out. And then I also did some jalapeno poppers for like appetizers. So yeah, honestly, shout out to Teeny because she makes the best mac and cheese, and I got her recipe from Teeny. So fun. Aww. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Say cheers.
Cheers.
Arigato.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Turkey Day. Say gabu gabu gabu.